Okay, so let's try to go live on Instagram. So you click plus and then you decide to go live. Then you have a whole bunch of little options like title, audience, and so on. So title is where you would put your little title, and then your audience, you can decide to go public or practice mode so that no one sees it. Then you decide to go now with your video title, so testing say, and then you can put start time, and then you can record this in the future, which is great because Instagram will really promote your video that you schedule in the future. Okay, so now I'm gonna click live here. So checking connection, this is going live. So you are now live. So make sure you have good internet and make sure you click the do not disturb, which I forgot, so it's gonna come up. You can add some images. So top right here, I could add some little images if I wanted to in the corner. So if I'm explaining something to somebody, I could have the image and then I can talk, and then you can tap it and then choose a different asset, or you can decide to touch this and stop sharing, and then you're back to normal. Okay, then you have the voice, video, you can change the camera, add filters, and so on. That's pretty straightforward. What we're gonna do is add someone to her video. So Heather is watching this live and she has requested to be part of a video, which is really great if you have a lot of people that you want to do, say, an interview. So I'm gonna view the request and decide to and then I'm gonna go share, and this is where you would add a caption. Here you can edit your cover, which you cannot do on Facebook. So you can add for your camera roll, or you can just choose one. So say it's gonna be a square, so say I go like this, I go done, and then that's gonna be the cover, and then I could tag Heather practicing live, and then I could tag Heather if I wanted to, or I can invite a collaborator as Heather to be there, and then she'll receive an invitation so you can share this. Year I'm gonna put Whistler. I can add it to series that would be live and so on, and advanced setting, you can edit your cover, so on. Okay, so and then share, and then I'll just show you what it looks like on the page. So here we go. It's gonna take a little while to load, but you're gonna see soon it's just gonna be on my here. And this is my live recording, and if I go here, I can see it. Et voila! Hope this helps. Reach out if you have any questions.